Hello, today I will be showing you an amazing trick to extra zoom on the picture. So let's get started. Now I will be showing you the comparison between the magnifier and the camera. So first I will show you by opening the camera. If I will zoom, it will be zoom at a ratio of multiply by 5 and this much maximum you can see. So if I want to extra zoom, I will go to the settings, then I will go to the control center. Under more controls, just enable magnifier. Now come to the control center and you will find the magnifier. Now if we will check, there will be an extra zoom which will be enabled automatically. So it will also help you to capture, so you can save and you can check the extra zoom feature. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe my channel.